Steel is by far the most important, multifunctional and most adaptable of materials. The development of mankind as we know it would have been impossible without steel. Steel has a major influence on our lives, from the screw a child uses to repair a bicycle, to the construction of buildings in which we work and live. It is present and essential in the cars we drive and countless other facets of the modern world. Steel is protecting our families, making our lives convenient, and its benefits are omnipresent. Steel is crucial for the technologies and solutions that meet our society's existential challenges, now and in the future. It is basic for our transport systems and infrastructure, for our housing and manufacturing, for our agriculture, water and energy supplies. Steel will also enable the technologies driving a green economy, renewable energy, resource and energy efficient buildings, low carbon and clean energy vehicles, as well as recycling facilities, all depend on steel. The financial and economic crisis has shown that competitive industrial sectors are important for the stability of European economies. And steel provides jobs. 350,000 highly skilled employees work in the European steel industry alone, and innumerable jobs in European manufacturing depend on the availability of competitive, high-quality steel for economic success. Steel is the engine of innovation. The European steel industry is a world leader in research and development. Its R&D closely integrates customers, research institutes and universities. This innovation network is unique in the entire world. Steel is the backbone of our present and future sustainable society. European steel is a global leader in environmental protection. Steel is 100% recyclable. It contributes greatly to the long-term conservation of basic resources for future generations. Even steel created 100 years ago can be recycled today and used in new products and applications. In fact, steel can be infinitely recycled without loss of quality. Byproducts of steelmaking are used in other industries and help to enhance resource efficiency and to reduce emissions. Process gases from steelmaking are reused to produce energy needed in the production process. Global steel production will increase by 50% in the coming 10 years and by 80% in 2030. The European steel industry will continue to contribute to greenhouse gas emission reductions in Europe and worldwide, notably by using best practices and innovative technologies in European plants and by promoting innovative steel applications made in Europe. It helps make e-mobility a reality in Europe. Power plants are more efficient and weight is reduced, therefore reducing fuel consumption and emissions in passenger cars and trucks. Steel is a key material when it comes to using the energies of sun, wind and water. The EU institutions acknowledge the importance of industry as one of the main economic core activities to ensure long-term economic growth and the creation of employment. The manufacturing industry is essential to the European economy, and steel is the most basic material in the value chain of a product. Our prosperity in Europe depends on a strong, innovative and competitive industry. It is crucial to preserve it, to ensure employment and good standards of living for future generations. The European steel industry